So I wanted to use the book as a tool to not only be able to help a lot more people, but also as a way to be seen as an expert in my field so that I could get more speaking engagements and launch an online course and do some other things that I really thought the book would help me do. Right. So I am a professional organizer. I help people simplify their lives, whether it's decluttering and organizing or moving, downsizing. In the book, I use those stories so that you can really see how a professional organizer can help you. I feel like most people just have no idea where to start and they're so overwhelmed and they just need either someone to talk to and help them, or if they read the book, they could even possibly do it themselves.